What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Amber Maria. Today I'm going to show you how I apply my homemade hair butter using ingredients that I have here at the house. Now, if you are interested in learning more about this recipe, be sure to check out the link in the bio. I made a quick video about it on Instagram and I list all the ingredients and directions there. Now, this hair butter does have preservatives in it just so I can keep it a little bit longer, and it's super thick, all right? So if you do decide to make it, just know a little goes a long way. Next, I'm also going to apply some flaxseed gel to it as well. Now, this is the flaxseed gel. I have another video on that as well if you're interested. So I'm first going to take my hair, go ahead and fluff it out a little bit. My hair has been 100% washed and conditioned, and I believe it has my L Organics leave-in conditioner on it. I'm just going to spray it a little bit with my warm water. Now, the reason why I'm using warm water is because I do have low porosity hair. When you have low porosity hair, it is a lot easier for the hair shaft to open up when it is in contact with warm or hot water. Here, I'm just going to apply a little bit of the hair butter from my roots to my end. And it is going on so beautifully and is so smooth on my hair, you guys. I love this stuff so much. Then on top of there, I'm going to add the flaxseed gel as well. Now, the gel is very slimy. I didn't make it as thick as I wanted it to be because it does have aloe vera plant in it, but you know, it did work pretty well. But anyway, back to my natural hair journey. I am more concerned about my natural hair health than I am about the length. I used to be so concerned with the length, and that caused a lot of damage to my hair. So throughout this video, you'll see me kind of cutting my ends a little bit because I didn't take care of my hair. I stretched it out. I put a lot of heat to it when I was trying to get braids. I just didn't take care of it. So now I'm more concerned about my overall health. What can I use on my hair that's 100% natural, that help my hair grow, help stimulate my scalp, and something that obviously doesn't cost too much. There's me clipping dead hair. So what are some tips that you guys have when it comes to your natural hair? What do you use? So now I'm just two-strand twisting it. I did speed it up a little bit so this video won't be too long. Again, applying the hair butter to my hair from roots to end. On this particular clip, I tried to move the camera angle so you can see what the hair butter is doing, and it's really curling my hair and curling my ends, which I love. If I can get my hand right, all right. And then gonna top it with the flaxseed gel. But anywho, I hope everyone has an amazing hair journey. I believe natural hair is a science, and I'm so proud of our community for making it accessible for people to learn how to do their hair and how to treat their hair. Now that we know this information, I think it's about not only using it in our hair, testing it out, but also, you know, helping as many people as we can. Natural hair is so beautiful. You don't have to have type 2 or type 3 hair. It doesn't really matter. You can have type 4C or 4D hair. It don't matter. Your hair is beautiful, but it's about taking care of it. I really hope my videos help people understand how to care for their hair, how to love their hair, and honestly, I'm still learning myself, so I'm all for the tips and the tricks that a person may have regarding that. If you have made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. And yay, we made it to the end. My hair is 100% two-strand twisted. And please forgive my camera. It's not, you know, I put a different setting on my camera and it looks a little fuzzy. But in the next couple of clips, it will clear up. But this style did not take too long. I think it took an hour for me to put everything in, and my hair was fluffy. But it is a con. The shea butter, it is good, but it is a little bit heavy. So like I said, a little goes a long way. I want to create a recipe with avocado butter instead of shea butter because it's a little lighter. But anywho, this particular clip is day 4. Yes, day 4 hair when it comes to these two-strand twists, all right? So these twists last a very long time. It still looks kind of fresh. It's a little frizzy at the top, but you know, it's still not bad. It could have been the way that I tied my hair up. But anywho, it's day 4 hair and it lasts a long time. I make sure that I oil my scalp, fluff out my hair in the morning, and yeah, that's pretty much it. This is usually my go-to style, especially now that I'm trying to figure out what to do with my hair. And this is me untwisting it so you can see what it looks like when you do unravel it. It is a tad bit frizzy, but that was just the way that I took it down. Like, I didn't take it down gracefully at all. But that is what it looks like. Yay. Bounce. But I think that's all I have, you guys. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you have any tricks or anything about natural hair care, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Please enjoy this clip of me just looking at my hair because I'm extra. God bless you. Peace.